today it's me, and we have 2 more stuffed animals to go with our 2 more videos. This is the first video with my second of seconds of more stuffed animals. So I'm gonna get him. This is a stuffed animal. This is him. And his name is Broccoli Launcher. So Broccoli Launcher, what do you want to play? I want to play. Okay. Come on. Follow the lead. Oh, why did this come on? So that one came on for no reason. Sorry, guys. Hi, everybody. So today we're doing Lord Stuffed Animal. Go up and so far we did Big Boy. Your baby fell. Spiky.
What?
Your baby fell.
Where was it?
That's Jeffrey. Cupcake. And look at him so far. He's right now. Here. We're doing. He's right here. Ground
So there, go check.
This guy's name
What?
is Ground.
I feel my baby.
That's just stuff in it. Looks like he has teeth on his
Stuff
arm.
in it.
Yeah, super mean teeth in his mouth. So, and his birthday is April 5th. He's 10 years old. I mean your other baby. Ground teeth. What do you want to Your other baby's in there. What for you? Of course.
Jack.
Okay.
Jack took it and made it.
Guys, he was
Jack
so
took Jack.
Yeah, your oven went so good.
That's
So
too.
good. What? So sharp.
I feel good
So
too.
sharp.
It's a good too.
Good will. Ground. Ross.
You were tricking.
Jackie. Head body. William. William throws his glasses on ground, but he pushes them back onto William's face. And then Grouchy scratches him, William, and then kicks William in the chin, and he says, "Oh!" and he scratches him punches Grouchy in the eyeball, and both of his eyeballs come up, but Grouchy stretches me and I fall to the ground. And then Grouchy stomps on the ground so hard. Boom, 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 and it makes William shake and fall over. And then Will's glasses fall off. Put them back on. And then William punches Grouchy's face. Grouchy. William stands behind the camera, and then Grouchy one boom, one, and then Grouchy just lays down and goes to sleep, and William just sits on him. Grouchy scratches William. Glasses. Now William doesn't have the glasses. Now William. Oh my gosh. I'm worried. Oh, he's right here. Is he this? Yeah? Alright, I'll just let him. When William blows him up in the air, slams him on the ground, rips his arm off, and kicks him square in the face. And he puts and gets his glasses back on. And then now he can see. And then now he grabs all of his teeth and steals all of them out. William wins. Grouchy loses. Wah, wah, wah. Alright. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And one more thing. I don't want William to beat me like that again. So make sure to cheer for me next time. Okay? Grouchy, 2 things. Stop saying that to the camera. You can. You know. Why you cannot say it to the camera. Second of all, what was I going to say? And I don't have a second of all. I just said it to me. So that's all that the second of all was. So, bye guys.
Look, I need my phone out. I need to take a break.
Bye guys. Hi everybody. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.